To remove the hard drive cage, first remove the cable cover, the stand, the rear cover, and the hard drive. Disengage the nearby power supply connector from its nearby cable guides on the optical drive cage. Detach the single Torx 15 screw that secures the hard drive cage in the unit. Slide the hard drive cage out to the side, then remove it from the unit. There are 4 tabs on the optical drive cage that fit into 4 slots on the hard drive cage. To replace the hard drive cage, align the slots over the tabs, and then slide the cage towards the center of the unit. Secure the cage to the unit with its Torx 15 screw. Replace the nearby power supply connector into its guides on the optical drive cage.